Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing 8 reasons why getting rich is easy. You might ask why we're making this video, and the answer is simple: the world needs more people who know how to get rich. Not that there's anything wrong if you want to stay poor, but in this day and age we all have access to the same information. It's just a matter of how hard you're willing to work and how smart you are at using that information. We promise that this title is not clickbaity and you'll surely learn something in this video, so try to stick with us till the end. If you're ready to get started, then let's begin. Reason number 1. The world is getting richer. Yes, you heard that right. According to a recent study, global wealth has been steadily increasing over the years, which means there's more money to be made than ever before. What you can do with the information is to take advantage of this opportunity to learn, invest, and grow more in your domain. You can try to take more opportunities at work or take some time off to learn a new skill that will help you with your work. You can also try to invest in the right assets and make money while you sleep, literally. All of this may seem overwhelming, but if you take it step by step, you'll eventually get there. The time to start is now. To get started, you can try to introspect yourself and try to find out what your strengths are. Once you know that, try to focus on those skills and use them in your work or personal life. If you're not sure about this, then maybe it's time to have an honest conversation with yourself or a trusted friend. So take a step back and think about what you want to achieve in life. Then break down your goals into smaller attainable steps and work towards them one by one. Reason number 2. Leverage technology in your workflow. Technology has opened up new avenues for making money. With the rise of the internet and social media, it's never been easier to start a business, sell products, or offer services online. We know, it's not that easy, but if you have the right skills, it is possible to build a profitable business. The internet has made it easier for people to find what they're looking for, and it's also given us a platform where we can market our products or services to millions of people all over the world. Not only that, but it's also made it easier for us to earn an income online. There are so many different ways to make money online, from affiliate marketing to selling your own products or services. Try to pick a niche of your interest, take some time to study and research it, understand your audience, and know how to solve their problems. Once you have a clear idea of what you want to do online, make sure that it's something that people are willing to pay for before you start spending money on advertising or creating products. It doesn't have to be that hard, and you don't have to spend $10,000 to start a business. Just pick something and stick to it. Even if you didn't make money on your first attempt, you'll always have the experience, and use that in your next attempt. So don't just sit around and hope for the best to happen, do something to make it happen. Reason number 3. Taking care of your physical and mental health. Taking care of your physical and mental health can lead to financial success. By investing in your health, you can increase your energy levels, productivity, and creativity, which can lead to more opportunities and higher earnings. Frequent exercise, a healthy diet, and regular sleep are all important to your overall health. It's also important to get some form of stress relief in your life, whether it's meditation or yoga. Finding time for yourself will help you stay positive and motivated throughout the day. Good health and positive posture will not only help you win your daily battles but also set you up for success in your career. A healthy body and positive attitude will help you to stay focused and productive at work, which will lead to better performance and increase confidence to take on any challenges that come your way. Eating well and exercising regularly will help you to maintain a healthy weight, which will also boost your confidence. For example, being overweight can make it difficult to perform well at work, especially if you're required to stand or walk around all day. A healthy diet and exercise routine will keep your body strong and fit even after hours of sitting at a desk. So take care of yourself, and you'll be in a better position to take on any challenges that come your way. Reason number 4. Networking and collaboration. Networking is key. By attending industry events, connecting with like-minded individuals, and building relationships, you can open up new doors and potentially secure higher-paying jobs or projects. If you're someone who is an introvert, it can be difficult to break out of your shell and make connections. However, there are ways to network that don't require you to feel overwhelmed or anxious. One way is by making sure your social media accounts are up to date and well maintained. This includes having a LinkedIn profile that highlights your skills and experience, as well as an active Twitter account where you can share industry news or articles with other professionals. You don't have to directly talk to anyone on social media to get a foot in the door. You can simply share content that will help others. And make them aware of your expertise, which will lead to more opportunities for you. Sometimes only networking is not enough, and that's where collaboration comes into the picture. By working with others and leveraging their skills and resources, you can potentially achieve more than you could on your own and increase your earning potential. If you're a freelancer, you'd already know this, but if you're a full-time employee, it can be hard to find the time or motivation to collaborate with others. However, if you're looking for a fun way to earn extra money, then collaborating with like-minded individuals may be your best bet. Try to reach out to other people with similar interests or skills and create a joint project together. You could write an article, create an online course, or even sell products. The possibilities are endless. All you need is to try to reach out to people in your domain and maybe follow their work on social media. If you're stuck on a problem, it's highly likely that you aren't the first one, so there will be many people out there with similar problems. Reach out to them, ask for advice, and see if they want to collaborate with you. Reason number 5. Investing. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth. By investing in stocks, real estate, or other assets, you can potentially earn significant returns over time. You can also diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. However, before you invest in any company or asset, you should do your research and make sure that it fits with your personal financial goals. You should make sure that you're not investing more than you can afford to lose, and that your investment isn't just a short-term fix. You should also make sure that you have enough money saved up for emergencies and unexpected expenses. If an emergency comes along and you need cash quickly, then it could be difficult to sell off any investments quickly enough. Try to learn as much as you can about investing, but don't let this discourage you from starting early. You can always learn more as time goes on, and it will still be helpful even if you don't have a lot of money to invest right away. To get started, you can open a brokerage account with an online broker and begin to invest in index funds. These are low-cost mutual funds that tend to have lower fees than actively managed funds. You can also look into buying individual stocks, if you're willing to take on more risk, or even investing in real estate if you're interested in doing so. Take the time to learn about these different investment options, and then decide which one you want to pursue. Reason number 6. Side hustle. Having a side hustle can lead to financial success. There are only a limited number of hours in a day and you can't work all day. It's just not possible. Even if it's possible, we won't recommend you to do that. By using your skills and passions to create a side business or offer freelance services, you can potentially earn extra income and diversify your revenue streams. If you're great at building your body or keeping your fitness level in check, try to monetize that skill. If you're great at building wealth, try to teach other people. If you have a knack for creating relationships, try to help new business owners with their marketing efforts. There are so many ways to monetize your skills. Make sure you're adding value and not just reselling what someone else is offering at a cheaper price. Being a value provider is better than being a reseller, so try to be unique and differentiate yourself from the competition. And think about how you can take your skill set and turn it into a revenue stream. If you don't have any skills that are marketable, start learning. Start by reading books on the topic and then try to find ways to implement what you've learned. If you don't have the money to invest in the education needed, then try to find someone who can mentor you or help teach you their skill set. Reason number 7. Investing in yourself. Investing in yourself can lead to financial success. By traveling, learning new skills, and exposing yourself to different cultures and experiences, you can potentially gain new perspectives and ideas that can lead to higher earnings. Traveling can also help you find new opportunities for your business. By meeting more people and learning about their cultures, you could find a market that wasn't previously available to you. Or possibly even learn about a new niche in the industry that's growing fast and needs fresh ideas. By getting out of your comfort zone and learning more about the world around you, you can increase your earning potential. It could be anything from selling and marketing to providing services to people from different cultures. This will also help you become more confident in your abilities to sell your products and services to a wider audience. Try to invest in yourself as much as you can daily, weekly, or monthly. It's important to invest in yourself and your business, but it's also important to take time out for yourself. Make sure that you have some sort of personal life outside of work so that you don't burn out too quickly. Reason number 8. Being open to trying new things. Ours is a dynamic world, and with the latest technology available, there are so many opportunities for us to explore. If you are open to trying new things, it will help you become more confident in your abilities and earn more money. By using software, apps, and other digital tools, you can potentially automate tasks, save time, and increase your efficiency and productivity. Take the example of ChatGPT. It can literally help you learn a new skill, start a new business, or answer questions on the internet. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. The next time you're feeling tired, bored, or uninspired, try using some of these tips to help you earn money with your skills. Take use of technology in your career and businesses to learn and grow, and you'll find that it can be a fun and rewarding experience. If you're good at something, try to make a course and share your learning and experience with others. You can also use sites like Udemy or Skillshare to create courses and get paid for them. If you want to write about something that interests you, then try writing on Medium and share your knowledge with the world. Try to use the resources around you to create a sustainable income source online, and you'll be set for life. Remember, you don't have to change the world or do something unique to become successful, although if you do want to change the world, then go ahead and do that. But if you're someone who thinks differently, you can do what 95% aren't doing and become more successful in life. And there you have it, folks. 8 reasons why getting rich is easy. By understanding these mechanics and taking action to implement them in your own life, you can potentially achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always wanted. Don't just take our word for it, though. Try them out for yourself and see how much better your life gets. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like this video if you like it. And subscribe to Wealth and You. And we'll see you in the next video.